What's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is May the 5th. We're out here in Buckhead, Atlanta. This is Miss Suzanne. We're going to be doing close to 1,000 square feet of screen and recoat with UV Cure. I just came and did a consultation not far from Buckhead. She actually found me on YouTube. Now, Miss Suzanne found me online. She did do some research because one of her friends, David, he's one of my students out of North Carolina, and she saw the video where I was training David. So anyway, guys, and after this, when we get the coating down, we're going to go do 2 consultations in East Cobb, and then we'll come back and do the UV Cure. Also, shout out to my guys, Christian Furniture Moving. They came out this morning, moved the furniture for Miss Suzanne. She said they did a great job, and I get nothing but good compliments for those guys. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are out here in beautiful Buckhead, Atlanta, Georgia. Do a lot of work. Actually, Buckhead, Brookhaven. I actually got a job tomorrow in Brookhaven area, screen and recoat with UV Cure. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. Now, Miss Suzanne is going to a game tonight, a baseball game, so she told Christian them to just come back tomorrow to put the furniture back. So what we're going to be doing, guys, I'm going to be doing this area right here, this area right here, also this foyer area. Miss Suzanne says she actually did that herself. Then through the hallway, then we have this long hallway, and then this whole entire area right here in the kitchen. So we're going to start screening, and then there's Miss Suzanne right there working in her garden. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the hallway coated, and a good thing about this floor is most of the areas separate. So we got the wood goes the opposite way. So I did that. I stopped at the landing, hit that when we go around. So what I'm gonna do is wall to wall and work ourselves over to the living room, dining room combo. All right, guys, stay tuned. Oh, my favorite part. Oh yeah. Now this is gonna dry as a satin. Always remember another tip, guys. Any finish you put down, so always going to have that high gloss. So a lot of your clients, they want satin or matte. Let them know, because I've had a few clients kind of panic. Say, oh no, Courtney, no, we want matte, we want satin. I always tell them, you're always going to have that high gloss look, because that's the water or either the oil that needs to evaporate out of it. So yep, got a good coating. Get my guy to do the edges. Everybody, oh Courtney, how you do the edges? How you do the edges? Guys, come on now. Come on now. Over 650 Google reviews, 5 stars, video testimonials. I think I got this. Yeah. That's what you, yeah, all righty. Yes, ma'am. Nice even sheen. Yep. And if you go look over there, the area by the window, that even looks better. Well, I didn't walk over here. I just saw, like, I stuck my head in and saw that the sheen. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. So what we're going to go ahead and do is get it UV cured, and then I'll get the payment from you, and then could you tell that guy that I'm coming around? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yep. He's at the back door. Okay. Yeah, she's coming around. All right, guys. So we just got back from Brookhaven. We got the sheen down over there, with the poly down over there. So you just heard Miss Suzanne saying how great the floors look. She's very happy. So, excuse me. We're going to go ahead and, excuse me, guys, get the floors UV cured. She's going to have Christian them come back tomorrow to move the furniture. Some clients are very considerate. She said, Courtney, I don't want them to get in that traffic today just to come move the furniture back. So she's going to have them come back tomorrow to come to move the furniture. All right, guys. Well, we're going to go ahead and UV cure this floor, and stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. We are done. Miss Suzanne, very satisfied client. Found me online, did her research, actually realized one of her best friends that she grew up with from North Carolina, David Brockman, is one of my students. Paid her in-home consultation, paid the movers to move the furniture. Floors look amazing. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is going to go do a consultation in Brookhaven, then go back to that Brookhaven job, UV cure their floors, and then a consultation in Cumming. And what a great day today. Oh, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. I had 3 consultations that I did this week and last week. Actually, 2. All 3 consultations that I did yesterday, they're all 3 booked. And I had a few come in from last week. And I also have a contractor that wants to offer UV cure to his clients. So he sent me these boards to UV cure, and he's going to meet me later on today to pick those up. All right, guys, see you in the next one.